Attention to more updates coming in ahead of the assembly elections in Jharkhand. Chief Minister Hemant Soren has stoked a massive controversy. While warning people against the RSS, Chief Minister Soren compared the organization with rats, accusing both the BJP and the RSS of making efforts to disrupt communal harmony in the state. In fact, Soren said that people from the RSS are trying to infiltrate Jharkhand like rats in their bid to stoke communal division. He went on to say that they will try to enter villages with cash and liquor, urging people to identify them and not let them enter.
इनको गांव में घुसने नहीं देना है। ध्यान रखिएगा, ये लोग पैसा कौड़ी लेके घुसेगा, हड़िया दारू लेके घुसेगा, बड़ा बड़ा ये लोग ऐसे लोगों को आप लोग देखेंगे जो कभी उन लोगों को झारखंड में नहीं देखा है। ऐसे लोगों को आप देखेंगे। ये आरएसएस के लोग चूहा की तरह अंदर घुस करके हमारे समाज को तोड़ने का काम करेगा। तो इन लोगों को भी आप लोगों को पहचान के रखने की आवश्यकता है, ताकि आने वाला चुनाव में हमारे लोगों से कोई गलती लोग ना करा सके।
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, the Chief Minister giving out a call like this, criticism against the RSS is fine, but he seems to be urging people to identify the RSS workers and not let them enter. This is likely to spark a controversy.
Well, indeed, as it is a big allegation which the Jharkhand Chief Minister, Mr. Hemant Soren, has levelled against the BJP and RSS, and it is surely going to initiate a controversy, as the statement which is coming in on the part of the Jharkhand Chief Minister is that he has compared the RSS with rats and accused both BJP as well as RSS of attempting to undermine the communal harmony in the state for electoral gains. As he was basically addressing a rally in Sahibganj, where Mr. Hemant Soren has claimed that the BJP is sowing discord between Hindu-Muslim communities, specifically pointing to the Assam Chief Minister, Mr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, as he was one of the major reasons. It was his involvement in the case of Mr. Champai Soren, and that clearly can be seen in the anguish which was being seen in the speech of Mr. Hemant Soren while he was addressing a rally in Sahibganj. As I would also like to quote what Mr. Hemant Soren has mentioned in that particular rally, as he has said that RSS is invading the state like rats and destroying it. Chase such forces away when you see them entering your villages with handia and daru. So that was the statement which is coming in on the part of Mr. Hemant Soren, as he was accusing against the BJP and as well as the RSS, as Mr. Hemant Soren has further alleged that the BJP is intent on fostering hatred between the communities, predicting an increase in provocative incidents such as throwing meat into temples and mosques. So that's a very big allegation which Mr. Hemant Soren has levelled against the RSS and the BJP, and it is surely going to initiate a controversy, because we can expect a counter remark which will come on the part of the BJP and RSS regarding this entire matter.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. We're keeping a track of any reactions that come in as well. But listen in to what Hemant Soren said that sparked off the controversy.
इनको गांव में घुसने नहीं देना है। ध्यान रखिएगा, ये लोग पैसा कौड़ी लेके घुसेगा, हड़िया दारू लेके घुसेगा, बड़ा बड़ा ये लोग ऐसे लोगों को आप लोग देखेंगे जो कभी उन लोगों को झारखंड में नहीं देखा है। ऐसे लोगों को आप देखेंगे। ये आरएसएस के लोग चूहा की तरह अंदर घुस करके हमारे समाज को तोड़ने का काम करेगा। तो इन लोगों को भी आप लोगों को पहचान के रखने की आवश्यकता है, ताकि आने वाला चुनाव में हमारे लोगों से कोई गलती लोग ना करा सके।